If you've ever tried to run wiring through a split loom by hand, you already know what a tedious task it can be. When you have a bundle with lots of wires, it can be tough and time-consuming to cover it with split braided sleeving. And if you need to swap out a wire in that bundle, it takes tons of effort to manually undo the entire length of sleeving, remove the wire, replace it, and close it all up again. But today, I'm here to walk you through an easier solution. And that's with the Techflex F6 Installation Tool. What's great is this tool doesn't just work with split sleeving like Techflex F6 Braided Sleeving, but you can use it with split convoluted tubing too. And it lets you close, reopen, and reclose split loom over and over again. What's also great is you can order each tool size separately, or Cable Organizer has a 5-pack of these tools that work with 1/4 inch to 1.5 inch sleeving sizes. Let's show you how to use it. We'll take it step by step. First, open your sleeving and place this cone portion of the tool into the end of your sleeving. Then you put your wire bundle into the tool just like this. After that, you spin your tool's barrel to lock it onto your wire harness. As you hold your sleeving and wire harness with one hand, slide your tool through your sleeving with your other hand. You'll have to keep moving down the bundle with one hand as you pull the tool with your other hand. You'll notice while you're doing this, your wiring is fed into your sleeving or tube, and the sleeving or tube closes around it. Continue pulling your installation tool until you've reached the end of your sleeving. Then, unlock your F6 tool and take it off the end of your harness. You'll notice your wires will be totally wrapped inside of your sleeving or tubing. For the finishing touch, you'll want to run your hand along the full length of your harness to make sure your bundle looks and feels uniform. And then you're done. It really makes this process quick and easy. Be sure to check out our selection of Techflex F6 installation tools, split wraparound sleeving, and many more amazing products at cableorganizer.com.
Cable Organizer, your life organized.